ของแถมผมบ้านแถมอยู่กลางแดดบ้านจังไหนก็บ่แตกผมเมื่อบ้านน้ำเขาแรงบ้านสุดท้ายมีแต่บนแม่แค่
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Balik lagi bersama NKZ Channel. Nah, kali ini kita akan lepas atau ganti pelek. Ini kan pakai PCX, jadi double cakram. Nah, kita akan ganti peleknya dengan tromol biasa. Nah, ini nih, kita akan menggunakan palang 9 dari Power. Duh, cocok banget nih. Kita akan langsung aja kita ganti ya. Oh iya, karena ini cakram ininya saya buka-buka, kita harus pasang dulu ininya. Kita pasang dulu bawaan buat pengereman trombolnya.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. So don't just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it, yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost.
Belakang udah beres, seperti ini hasilnya. Mantap. Tinggal yang depan. Yang depannya udah dibuka juga ya. Tinggal kita pasang. Jus.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, those whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coffin.
Seperti inilah hasilnya. Mantap. Tinggal kita beres-beres dulu, dirapiin dulu ya. Nanti dilanjut setelah rapi semua. Nah, jadi seperti ini lur hasilnya setelah pemasangannya buat velg depan. Ini untuk di pinggirnya seperti ini. Keren banget lur. Seperti ini. Bagian belakangnya. Motornya belum dicuci, aduh, masih pada kotor. Warna dari krom-kroman velgnya masuk nggak ya ke silver? Tapi jadi terlihat bagus ya dari silvernya. Jadi kelihatan gagah gitu. Nah, mantap. Nah, mungkin sekian dulu video dari saya ganti velg Vario 150 ya, pakai velg power palang 9 yang chrome. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe ya, akan ada banyak video-video lainnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.